Hey everyone, this is Tom from Adventures at Home. So today we have a new addition to the property, and we're going to be unboxing this today and setting it up and demonstrating it. So let me pull this out. You may have seen this before. So this is the Hoselink garden hose reel. So this is an 82-foot hose reel. It retracts automatically. And you mount this on either on the house, or you can mount it on a pole. Okay, so it comes with its own spray nozzle. So this hooks up to it. It's got a quick connect system. So it just kind of twists in here like this. Again, this is the part of the hose that comes out. Again, it's 82 feet. So it mounts on this rod. It pivots 180 degrees, so that gives you a lot of flexibility there. And it has about a 6-foot hose to connect to your spigot. The other nice thing about it, it has a handle on it, so you can pick this up and put it on another mounting station somewhere else in your yard. So that's nice. It makes it easy to carry. Okay, so here's the mounting bracket that comes with it. So you just put 4 self-tapping wood screws into the post. So this is just a standard 4x4 post. They say to mount this at 35 inches. This might be a little bit lower. And what we've done is we've used Quikrete. We dug a hole, put the fast setting Quikrete in, let that set overnight. And now we're ready to put the hose reel on here and hook it up. Okay, so the last thing is just connect it up to the spigot. Okay. As you can see, it has a quick disconnect system here. So the leader hose, this is a 6-foot leader hose with a disconnect. So you can easily disconnect this again and put it somewhere else in your yard. So let me just connect this up. So that's all there is to it, to connect it up. You just want to make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't leak. And we're ready to go. Turn the water on. The nozzle is just a quick connect also. So that's all there is to it. You just want to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, so I have the nozzle on. All you need to do is just flip this up to turn it on, and there you go. You've got your water. So let's see how far this goes. Like again, it's 82 feet. So let me turn this off. All right, so the next thing we want to test is reeling this back in. So this is supposed to automatically reel the hose back in, and all you need to do is pull it out and let it go. The other thing you want to make sure is keep the hose clean as it goes in. It's best to have a rag. I don't have a rag here right now, but you want to just wipe this clean so the inside of it doesn't get all gunked up. So there you go. So I think I like it. I think this is going to be a good addition to the property and really help us to water these hard to reach areas. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to show you is how it swivels. So it's about as far as it's going to go this way. Then we can swivel it the other direction. And that's about it. It's 180 degrees. it.